What up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video in C sharp, and today we're going to be talking about break and continue. Okay. So, all right, let's go ahead and jump in on the examples. So we're going to create a int array, and then we're going to call values, and then we're going to have open in curly brackets. And then inside here, we're going to pass on numbers. So we got 15, we got 7, we got 12, we got 23, we got 41, we got 28, we got 9, we got 17, and the last number is going to be 36. And we end with a semicolon, boom, right there. So right here, we're going to do a console that right lane, so which was what we want, and then we're going to say right here a string using break and continue and iterations. Oh, I got two commas right here. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's do that. Okay, now, so for this we're going to use a for each. Okay, it already gave us the value, so right here, so let's just do console that right lane. Okay, we got the values, but we're going to use a string interpolation right here. This is going to go inside our this value variable is going to go inside. Let's cut it inside curly brackets in here, and then here we're going to say value is currently the value, or value is currently pan right there. So now right here, if we just run the program, it should give us all the different values from the array right here. So let's run it, and boom, we have. So let's compare. We have the values. We got 15. Value is currently 15, the 7, 12, 23, 41, 28, 9, 17, 36, right? So now, what about we want to break? So let's see. Let's pretend that we want to break if value, we're going to do those values from the var variable right here, um, it's greater or equals to 40, then we wanna break. So what's going to happen is, so we got 41, right? So it says greater or equal to 40. So assume this is greater, so the one greater is going to be 41, right? So that's when it's going to stop, when it gets to 41. So let's run it. Yeah, 41 is stop. There's no more, because that's what we told it to do. So now if we want to use continue, continue we use to ignore certain range of numbers right here. I mean, just any number. So let's go back. Let's comment this out, and then right here we're going to say um, so right here we are going to say the following. Let me see 1 second. Okay, okay, I want to say if value no equal, no, actually value is greater or equal than 20, what is that, 20, 20, and same value, let's equal down 29. So what we want, that's going to have continue. And then let's copy this line of code right here, paste it right here below. Let's get rid of that in here, or let's comment it out. So basically what's going to happen is here, so we got this array of numbers, right? So it's going to be greater than 20. We have only 123 number right here, and less or equal to 29. So basically it will ignore these numbers right here. It will continue. Basically we only is supposed to ignore the 23. So let's run it. Yeah, so using break and continue, we got 15, 17, 12. See, it ignored the 23. 41, 9, 17, 36. Yeah, so that's the video, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We're growing slowly but steady. All right, have a good night, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, C#. Bye.